If you want to know how to delete your account on X, formerly Twitter, permanently, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps in a simple and easy way. Now, just so you know, X does not delete your account instantly. Instead, it starts with deactivation, and if you do not log back in during the 30-day period, your account is removed permanently. So, if you're ready to close your account, follow along carefully. And, before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and useful software and app guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open X in your browser or in the app and make sure you are signed into the account you want to delete. Once you are on the main X dashboard, look at the left-hand side navigation menu and click More. This opens up additional account options, including your settings and privacy controls. From the menu that appears, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of the account, security, and privacy options. On the next page, select your account. Inside this section, you will find the tools for managing or closing your account, including deactivation. Now click Deactivate your account. At this point, X will show you important information about what deactivation means. Take a moment to read it carefully. The most important thing to remember is that there is a 30-day window. During that time, your account is deactivated, and if you do not sign back in, it will be permanently deleted after the 30 days are over. If you are absolutely sure you want to continue, click Deactivate at the bottom of the page. X will then ask you to confirm your password. This is a security step to make sure the account owner is the one making the request. Type in your password carefully, then click Deactivate Account to finish the process. Once you confirm, your account will be placed into deactivation mode. At that point, you should avoid logging back in if your goal is to delete it permanently, because signing in again can reactivate the account and cancel the deletion process. If you want to make sure your account is fully removed, just leave it alone for the full 30 days. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your X or Twitter account permanently by deactivating it first. It only takes a few steps, but it is important to follow them carefully so the deletion goes through properly. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.